Hey guys, it's Larri, and it is Friday. Everybody scream. Oh my goodness. So, today we're doing a plan with me, and look at these beautiful stickers I'm going to be using. This design is called Gloomy Summer, and it's by Planner One Love. I will leave a link for her below, and these are free printable planner stickers. Absolutely stunning photography and a really nice layout. I cannot wait to decorate my planner for next week and get everything all set up. So if you want to stick around and do some planning with me and have some fun, then let's get started. Alright guys, so here it is. We are doing a plan with me. I am doing the week of August 20th through the 26th. I am using this beautiful artwork. It's a free printable planner kit from Planner One Love. It's called Gloomy Summer. And if you are ready to go like I am, you will have a cocktail ready. You'll have your planner, and we're going to listen to some music and have some fun. If you are a subscriber, you know how this goes, and we like to have some fun. It goes real quick, and like I said, we get to listen to some music and just plan along with me. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button over here. Hit the notification bell so that you will get the messages that every time I post a new video. I do plan with me videos on Fridays. And I would really love some thumbs up and share some comments. What do you love about the stickers? What do you like about the way I do my layouts? And do you have any questions? So please leave some comments, give a thumbs up, and crack that cocktail open or get the blender going, whatever you gotta do, and let's have some fun, guys. Let's get started. This is it. How super fast and easy was that? I used every single sticker that I had made on my Cricut, so I don't have any leftovers. I obviously did not make stickers out of all of her artwork because there was so many options here. I love that she gives you so many options to work with, but this is really all that I needed for the coming week. I think it turned out gorgeous. I love her artwork. She does a beautiful job of designing stickers. So please check her out. There will be a link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and leave some comments. Let me know. Have you used her stickers before? Are you going to use some in the future? What do you use for planner stickers? Do you make your own? Do you happen to have a Cricut or a Silhouette or any of that kind of equipment that you use to help you make stickers? So chat with me below, leave a comment, and leave questions if you have any questions. And thank you so much for being here with me this week. I super appreciate you. My subscribers, heart, love you. If you're not yet a subscriber, hey, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell for notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. And please remember, be thankful, be kind, and keep living life. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.